Hi everybody, I have this fabulous Cibeles Style Villa to show you today. Now I am on Sector D of an urbanisation called Campsol. We are on the Costa.Calida near the port of Matheron. So this is the house that I'm showing you. It's absolutely adorable. So you have a pedestrian gate and you have your off-road parking. You've got this lovely stonework at the bottom and then you've got this decorative stonework at the top. The walls are raised for privacy, but they don't look, overbearing because of the different tones in the stone, and that it just looks really nice. So let me take you inside. Let me show you the road, guys, because I know you just want to see the road. It's a really quiet road. Now, just in here, lovely established plants and flowers. Got olive tree there. You got some beautiful blooms there, and the pathway all here is printed concrete, as is the driveway. So let's go into the main house itself and I take you around. So it's easy access to this property because you literally got 4 steps and you're in. Nice decorative balustrade there as well, and this leads us into the conservatory. As I come into the conservatory, you can see there's a door out there with a terrace with some table and chairs. That's the other side of this conservatory. It is quite beautiful. But I'm going to take you in to the main house here first. Okay? So as you can see, there is a nice solid door there. This is the vestibule, just in here. And as I come in and around, pan around, you've got your living space. Now you've got 3 windows here. You've got a feature fireplace down there. I think it has electric fire in it. It doesn't look as if it's ever been used, but you can pot a log burner in there if you needed to. Not that you need to do that anyway. So just behind the chairs, just going to come down here to show you. You have got radiators down here. Alright, I just needed to show you that. That's your feature fireplace. And I pan around. It's quite a large living space. Just above you got ceiling lights and fans, and you got 2 of those. So really nice, beautiful, large living space. Now, through here is the archway I'm going to take you through. Now, the first bedroom is a small double bedroom, and it's just right if you have guests. Some people use this as an office, mind. You have got aircon and a standard light in here. It's done out really beautifully. And you have your overhead storage and your double wardrobe there as well. So let me check out the master bedroom for you guys. So we have a look in there. So just as I come in, you have a double wardrobe with overhead storage as we come in. Just here, you've got the large double bedroom. It's really lovely. You can fit a queen size bed in here very, very easily. It's a nice large bedroom. Okay, I'm going to pan around and you can see there is a radiator just there, and just above you got your aircon. Got a ceiling light and fan there as well, and you got his and her wardrobes. Now, I've hopped into the bathroom. Now this is the ensuite to the master bedroom. You have got a bath with a shower screen there, a clear one, and a shower curtain. It's all fully tiled, but it's got this beautiful black tiling all around. Very, very unusual. It's really, really nice. You got your sink and pedestal, got a bidet and a WC. Okay. Now if I just come around here and pan around, you can see that you have a nice unit there for your medicine chest, and you have a heater above. You've also got a radiator just behind the door there. Okay, so let's go on and go into the next room. I do like the layouts of these Cibeles. I think they're nice because they're all on one level, you know. In here you have got a double bedroom. You've got ceiling light and fan. You have aircon. Nice large double bed in here. Plenty of room, and you have your overhead storage and your double wardrobe. They're quite generous bedrooms, and this is the largest build of the villas that we have on Compasol at the moment. Okay, so just in here is your shower room. It's fully tiled. You got a sink and pedestal, WC. You have got a mirror with the unit there, and just here you also got your radiator in here and your shower. You've got a frosted glass window on the side here as well, and just above the door again you got another overhead heater. So let's go down this link corridor. There is a radiator in the link corridor, and let's go back into the living space here. This is back into the living room. Really nice spacious room, and through the archway here we're going into the dining area come kitchen. Now they took the main archway out but left a part wall there, but it's still very open plan feel to it. Now in the kitchen you have got plenty of top and base units. I'll just come down here and show it at this angle. So you got your sink and drainer. Now your worktop space, sorry guys, is made of granite. Really nice. You have got a gas hob there. Just there you got integrated microwave and an oven, and you got American style fridge freezer. You got plenty of top and base units, and you got an extractor hood just over the hob there. Okay. Really very nice. I'll just come around here again this way, and I'm going to go out the back door. Let's have a look out here. So this brings me out into the pool area. But first of all, before I go down there and this terrace just here, I'm going to take you upstairs before I forget, and we'll go and have a look at the rooftop solarium. So see you upstairs, guys. So it's a really nice area here if you want to sunbathe, get your all over tan, and if you just want to read a book and want a bit of shade, you've got this awning here that you can pull over. Okay, just go down here. Look at those views across the valley there, aren't they absolutely spectacular? Really beautiful. Right now, let's go downstairs. See, all over Compasol from here. You can see the garden from up here. Really nice. So I've come back down the steps now, guys. I'm just going to show you just around here on the terrace. So you have this lovely area to sit. So let's go down the steps and have a look around the pool area. So this is the pool area. So you've got loads of lounges just here. Oh, I think we've got an underbuild here. Let's have a look inside. Oh, it's just storage. So you have your washing machine in here, and a boiler, and you got a gas boiler just there, and electrics in here. So just here you got your lounges where you can sit just by the pool. Sorry guys, my camera work is a lot to be desired this morning. So you have you've got lovely little areas where you can just sit, you know. And I'd put those table and chairs just there because that's the most shaded area. So fabulous pool. It's a kidney shape, but it's very, very wide. I quite like that one. Now over here, you have another area where you can sit. I believe that's a pool heater. I could be wrong. But they may, because that's for the pump house there. And I think that's a pool heater. So you could use that nice wide pool all year long. Lovely gardens. And look over there where I can see, woohoo! We got a hot tub. I love a hot tub, as you know. So if you didn't fancy a dicky dive in the pool, you could just chill out in the hot tub there. You have your shower just here as well. And some storage there. I think there's an underbuild over here. So let's go and have a look. They've done everything really nice. All the stonework and all the walls in the garden, they're all done very, very nicely. And you've got this all tiled here, and you've got drainage as well. So let's have a look in here. Oh, so you got your tank for your central heating there. Got another washing machine there. A door just here. Now you always have to have a second door if you have an underbuild, generally, so the electric people or the Gwalia can get in water pipes and that. But that's just more storage there as well. So, nice property, I've got to say. Now if I go up these steps, let's see where this leads to the front of the property again. So that's very nice. So I'll just come up here. Sorry about the crunching on my feet. I'm just going to pan around. And that is the property. Isn't that beautiful? So guys, what do you think of this property? This is beautiful, no exception. They're all very beautiful properties from To Let, To Sell, To Buy. We're very lucky, and I'm very privileged to be able to show you around these beautiful homes. This in particular is one of my favourites, possibly because it's got a hot tub. As you know, I like a hot tub, but I love the layout of a Cibeles. It's all in one level. We are on Sector D here, and it's a pretty quiet area. And we're very near Covera Airport and the beaches, like I said. But if you are interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoSellToBuy.com. So, from me to you, see you all soon in another villa from To Let, To Sell, To Buy. And thank you for watching from Manchester and the Isle of Wight and Madrid. See you all soon. Let me know where you're from watching this video. Take care. See you all soon.